Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Age, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I am back with another a no phone job for you guys. And this one is also 100% a work from home job, and it doesn't require any degree. So, the opening which we have is with this company, Clear Captions. So, they are into the caption service. So, let's get into the job requirements. So, they are looking for quality assurance analyst. So, the quality assurance analyst position is an exciting, multifaceted position that requires an effective candidate with varied skills and abilities. The quality assurance will perform tasks involving quality assurance training and training assistance, reporting, and ad hoc support for their product. So, you will work independently with little daily oversight or supervision. You must exercise sound business judgment in matters that directly affect the company's compliance with FCC regulations. You will assist in design, development, and implementation of advanced tools with regards to a national and international quality assurance program. You will work collaboratively and with decision making power interdepartmentally on various projects. You will write test scripts, perform mock test calls, and remotely monitor calls. You will evaluate calls via remote, monitor scripted calls or recorded calls, discriminating from listening to a variety of accents, regional dialects, and areas of knowledge. You will participate in calibration sessions for call center staff. You will provide feedback to team and call center team leaders and managers. A subject matter expert on quality tools. You will plan, implement, or participate in calibration QA activities. You will analyze data to identify patterns, trends, anomalies, create reports, and explain data and to solve problems. You will set your own schedules and meet deadlines on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis to meet business or team individual goals. You may be required to use personal, independent judgment and discretion in matters directly impacting agents' employment status. These matters include, but are not limited to, quality and SLA standards, programs and procedures run in the call centers, matters of FCC compliance, as well as confidentiality and ethics. You must support business 24 by 7, which will regularly involve duties outside of the regular work hours. Primary business hours are Monday to Friday. However, some activities may be required outside of normal business hours. Use independent judgment to implement improvement programs with various subcontractor companies which impact career captions. You may provide oversight and implement procedures for recruitment and hiring activities of the subcontractor call centers. So, here are the kind of people the company looking for. Versatile people who thrive on variety and challenge and excited about working in a fast-paced environment, innate problem solvers who want to grow in a flexible, collaborative culture, takes initiative, pushes boundaries, and motivated to innovate. So here are the qualifications required for the job role. Associate or bachelor's degree preferred, but not required. Direct work experience in quality assurance preferred. Proficient in Microsoft Office 365 products. Knowledge of Excel is preferred, including the ability to extract raw data from multiple sources to create reports. An excellent English language, written and oral communication skills, and experience with the following is a plus, like captioning, customer service, sales, technical support, process innovation, and documentation production, knowledge of a previous experience with Salesforce software. So, employees may experience the following physical demands for extended periods of time. Since you'll be work from home, it's 95 to 100% sitting, so it's 100% remote. Work from home, and the pay which they're offering for this role is starting between the minimum pay range is $20.30 and the maximum goes up to $24.23. So if you're interested in this job role, which is into quality assurance, a complete no phone, then please go ahead and apply for the same. I will share the link below in the description for this. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for more such kind of work from home jobs, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.